Welcome to Teacher T English!
What English will we learn today?
Let's learn about flowers. What can you see? I can see bees. I can see flowers. I can see grass. I can see soil. Name the parts of a flower. A pink flower. The flower grows in soil. Underneath the flower is a round bulb with roots growing out. Then there's a long stick called a stem and a lovely leaf. When the flower is closed, it is a bud. Here are the pink petals. There's so many petals that make up the flower. Let's explore some real flowers. Petals. Inside the flower, there is pollen. This is a flower bud. It hasn't opened yet. Look at all the leaves. All the stems are inside the vase. These are called tulips. These flowers are called hyacinth. Here's the hyacinth bulb. Underneath the bulb, you can see some roots. We hold the flowers by the stem. These are beautiful blue flowers. The bulbs go in the water. That's how they drink. The vase holds all the water and stands the flower up tall. Now, do you want to come to my garden? Here it is, my garden. I love to find petals. We should not pick them from the flower, but find them on the ground. This beautiful petal is pink. These flowers are purple. Can you see a yellow flower? I use a watering can to feed the flowers. If they don't get enough water, they can't grow and will die. It's fun to pour water with a watering can. Do you like my bunny watering can? Wow, I love my garden. Now, come and have a look at the trellis. It's fun to run under the trellis. I go under the trellis. I go through the trellis. Gardens have so many fun features for us to explore. The plants go up the trellis and over the trellis. Oh wow, did you have fun in my garden? Okay, now let's have a look at some different flowers and their uses. The nectar attracts bees to the flower. It's yummy. They can make honey using the nectar. Here are sunflowers. Inside the sunflowers, there is pollen. Here are the seeds. Sunflower seeds. They are delicious. Poppies. Poppy seeds come from the flower poppies. You can use poppies to make lemon and poppy seed muffins. Yummy! Sesame flower. Sesame seeds come from the sesame flower. You can use sesame in so many things, especially Asian cooking. My favourite. Did you enjoy learning about flowers today? Why don't you go outside and see if you can find some real flowers? Well done watching this video. Now make sure you go and subscribe now to my channel. Just press the subscribe button. Then you won't miss out on our future videos. If you're interested in learning to read, you can also subscribe to my Mama T Phonics channel, which is also on YouTube. At home, you can also take part in lots of learning for reading, spelling, writing and speaking. Have a look on my Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy shop. Just search Mama T Phonics.